This is a Mitch the dumper truck kiddie ride. It's got the original plate on it and it's really retro. I think this is the one from Pride Hill Shopping Centre actually, so let's go. Oh, that's one in. There we go. Two as well. Okay, ready?
When you're ready, press the start button.
This one doesn't work unfortunately. Steering wheels. Awesome. And there's the rolling road screen. I think this is, I actually can fit in this actually. Yeah, there's Hank and Pat over there. And yeah, that one will work. I don't know what noise that will make, but I smell food actually too. Steering wheel. Ooh. There's the rolling road screen. I've got £2 coins for Hank and Pat. Great. Yeah, that's the rolling road screen. This work unfortunately. There should be a green button there, but instead it's like two red buttons. Weird. There's one of these in there. There's the stop button. The stop buttons are weird on Hank and Pat, they're like big foot. Oh, goodness me, it's cold. It's so windy. Goodness me. I'm freezing. Oh, goodness me. It was so warm before, now it's just turned cold. So Tesco to Shrewsbury, if you're wondering. So glad to have these here. I thought there's actually no rides here, actually. And that was the Mitch the dumper truck kiddie ride. I'm stuck. And that was the Mitch the dumper truck